YouTube, it's Erin, and I would like to welcome you to my luxury closet 529, a place where not everything is luxurious, but a lot of it is luxurious to me, and here I like to share some of those luxuries with you. We'll cover handbags and jewelry and fashion and sometimes vacations when I get to go on them. And so without further ado, I think we should get into it. Today I have a triple unboxing or unbagging of items from Dress Up Your Purse. Today's focus will be on the small leather goods, and then I'm going to show you my entire Dress Up Your Purse handbag collection, which I have accrued all in 2024, as well as one bonus bag from another brand. So you're going to get to see a dozen bags and a triple unboxing / reveal. So without further ado, let's get into these items. I am crazy gaga over Melody's bags, and lately I have been exposed a little bit more to some of her small leather goods like her mini M case. I'm currently using this M case in my Speedy 25, and it is so soft and smooshy, and I love it in there. And what I have inside is a handbag hook, an AirPods case, and a compact. And I like keeping those things in there so I know where they are, because when you reach into this bag, it's sort of a bottomless pit. Another small leather good that I've enjoyed is the Corsica wallet, and Melody has a new version of this on the website that has an additional pouch on it. That's the best way I can think to describe it, so you'll have to go check that out. I do not have one of those yet. I think that they may be a pre-order item, but I'm not sure. But I can fit all the cards that I keep in two of my key clays, or clays by Louis Vuitton, into the Corsica wallet. And it's awesome because it's easy to find in a bag like the Speedy. You can just reach in and it has kind of a distinctive shape that makes it easy to pull out. Before I get into the unboxing, I do want to show you my necklace that I have on. This is a Kendra Scott piece, and it's got a little basketball in the center, and I think it's so cute, and it's on sale on Black Friday weekend as well. It's in the mid 40s, around $43, I think, and the last I checked, I think her items are plated in 14 karat gold. Don't hold me to that, but I will link it down below in case you have a kid that plays basketball. There's also soccer and baseball and football. So she has most of the sports covered. And I think it's just such a fun gift to give at Christmas. I got this one as a present for my birthday. I would like to proceed with the first of the triple unboxing / reveal. Inside of this box is a navy key pouch by Melody Cecile. This leather is so soft and so buttery. It is very similar, if not the same, as the leather on the mini M case. And I have a bag that matches this key pouch, so I'm super excited to be able to use this navy key pouch with my navy Paris 15, which I'm going to show you here in a little bit. I really like how she stitched the edges. If you look at the Dress Up Your Purse version, you can see it's got this piping around the edge, and Louis Vuitton folded their canvas inward. And this can be kind of awkward in terms of how the corners go, and mine's pretty good, but some of them look really wonky. I like this piping. I like this design a lot better. So let's take out the stack of cards that I have inside of my key pouch. There are 8 cards inside. I could definitely fit a few more. I think it fits 10 pretty comfortably. And I'm going to go ahead and pull these out and stick them in here. I think that there is more room inside of the Dress Up Your Purse key pouch than the Louis Vuitton clay. It zips super easily. And if you'll notice, they both have these chains where you can actually attach them to the outside of a bag or to the D-ring on the inside of the bag so that they're easy to find. You just pull up and then this hinge will swing outwards. You see? When I got my first clay from Louis Vuitton, I did not know that. So all 3 of the items together that I'm going to show you today, which is the Saturday after Thanksgiving, are $93 currently on the Dress Up Your Purse website because they're 40% off. And I think, if I remember correctly, this one works out to be about $27. But don't hold me to that. I just remember that all 3 were $93, and that is such an amazing price. The next item I have to show you today is the lavender gray mini M case. And This is such a beautiful color. I have not had any pieces in this color other than some of the heart charms that Melody sometimes sends with her items. And I just think that this is such a pretty shade. Look how squishy gushy this is. And I've already showed you kind of the inside with my black one, but it's basically like the back side of the leather. It's so lightweight, and I'm excited to have a second one of these because they're so slim in profile that they just make excellent organizers inside of a lot of handbags. The third piece is one that I am super pumped about. I can take this into stadiums. It is like a Kirigami by Louis Vuitton, but it is much improved in the Melody Cecile version. And the reason is because it has D-rings here and here, which allow you to attach a chain, which it comes with. This is the beautiful burgundy shade that everybody is so gaga for, and in person it is every bit as stunning as it looks on the screen. This not only comes with a chain, but it comes with two other ways to attach it to your bag. You can use this little key ring to attach the pouch to the inside of like a tote bag or to the outside of a bag like the Speedy if you want to keep it handy. And that part is not removable. It also comes with this gorgeous chain that's just a little over 43 inches long. If you look on your right, this is the Louis Vuitton Felicie chain. And then if you look on your left, that is this new Dress Up Your Purse chain that I have. They are so similar. And if anything, I think the Dress Up Your Purse chain is just a little bit prettier. The Felicie chain is a couple inches longer. So if you're used to that one, and that's the length that works for you, just be aware. But you could really attach any chain to this little clutch. So in addition to those other two ways, you can also use the wristlet strap if you want to carry this little pouch that way. I think I would probably use the chain more than anything. I want to show you real quick what will fit. I have my mini pochette by Louis Vuitton here for size reference to just compare. And everything that I have in my mini pochette will fit inside of this beautiful burgundy pouch. So let's see what's in there. I have it pretty full. So if I were to take this pouch into a game or out for a date night, I would want to have these three items: a Tide to Go stick, a feminine product, and a comb. So I'm going to stick those in there. I would stick a flosser stick in there as well. So you can see I still have oodles of space. I would put my AirPods case inside. I would put a key inside. And then I would put my pouch with medicine inside. And you can see that pretty much fills it up. I would also slide a credit card in there, and that would not really take up any additional space. But all of those items fit inside with no issue. So thank you so much, Melody, for this beautiful new pouch. It is really nice. And I would say the leather on this is more structured than on the M case or the key pouch because it has a backing sewn onto it. And I do not think it's pebbled quite as much either. But I like that it's just a little more sturdy for this design. I have been given various bags from different handbag makers over the last few years, and all of them are not with me anymore except for the dozen that I'm going to show you today. And one of these dozen I did purchase, and I'll explain that when I get to it. But the first bag I'd like to show you is this beautiful little night out bag by Naomi Crafted. It is done in leather and silk, and I really think it is made very well. I have never used this, but I think it's a piece of art, and that's why I like it, and that's why I have it in my collection. And I could use it. Stuff does fit inside. It has this flap type opening, just like the mini Lady Dior, and as you can see, it's lined and comes with a leather strap. I did get one other bag from Naomi Crafted in 2024, and it was an Hermes-inspired garden party lookalike, and it was made out of a dust bag, and I guess it just wasn't me, mainly because it wouldn't fit over my shoulder, and I like bags that'll either fit over my shoulder or go crossbody. And that little bag that I just showed you will go crossbody. I'm going to show you some of these two at a time because they are duplicates. Like most of them are duplicates, like all of them are duplicates. So here we go. I have 5 Paris 15 bags, and one of them is this beautiful pink duo shade, and this one's going to my friend Julie as soon as I get its replacement, which is on the way or will be soon. And then I have the black and silver combo. I love both of these. I love this style, and I could not be more excited to have multiples of these in my collection. I've had several Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisses come and go. I've had the reverse, I have had the bicolor, I have had the turtle dove, bought and sold all 3 of those, but yet I seem to want to hang on to all of the Dress Up Your Purse Paris 15s I can get my hands on. The only reason why I'm giving this to my friend Julie is because she has not had the opportunity to try one of these yet, and I know she will absolutely love it, and I have 5. I'm trying to limit myself to no more than 4 of any one particular style in my collection, so the replacement of this that's on its way is a little different, and so it would still fit my rules of engagement for my handbag collection. The next one I have to show you today is my navy Paris 15. This is the one that matches the new clay, which I've already stowed away in my Speedy 25 to put to good use. This is the most beautiful shade of navy, and I love that it has the antique brass hardware, which goes so well with my Coach chain, as you can see. The final 2 Paris 15 bags I have are my brown bicolor and the turtle dove or taupe. And the taupe one, I actually worked with Melody to kind of reconfigure. It comes with a different kind of webbed strap as well as a leather strap. And I just love the shade. It's very similar to Louis Vuitton's turtle dove. And then the bicolor, this was my first one. It's what made me fall in love with the Paris 15. And I love to use this with my Pochette Matisse strap from long ago. It's actually a monogram version. And with the colors in the Louis Vuitton monogram, it just totally accents this bag. Chef's kiss, perfect. Future Erin here. As I was putting my bags away after I finished the video, I realized I forgot to show the 12th bag. I got out of count along the way, and this is the beautiful Josette bag in the taupe color. The taupe color on the Josette bag is different than the taupe color on the Paris 15 I collaborated with Melody on. And so I did want to point that out to you. This is such a fun little bag to use. I love carrying it on the crook of my arm just like this. And it's awesome that it does have a strap that you can use if you need a crossbody moment. I only have one of the Le Petite Paris 15s, but I would like to have more. I think that they are fabulous little bags. Now that I've used this, I get it. I understand the hype. These little cuties are amazing. And if you're wondering about some of these chains, this is a next fashion chain charm that Paul and I came up with to accent some of these bags. And I will link Next Fashion as well as a discount code down below in case you're interested in picking one up to decorate your bags. But this is the 8th of the 12 bags I'm going to show you today. There is one handbag out of this bunch that I purchased, and that would be this beautiful purple mini Boston bag. And Melody did give me a discount on it. When I asked her about it, there was only one left, and she marked it down and let me buy it at a discount, which is so sweet of her. I mean, she's just so generous. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate her, and I love, love, love her bags, which I hope comes across in the videos I do. It's not about getting them for free or getting them at a discount. It's that I really love them. And I've got lots of bags. With these, I have just over 90, which is insanity, I know. But I love these every bit as much as the other bags in my collection. I mean, look at this. Look at how smooshy gushy this is. And I love mixing and matching these mini Boston bags and Paris 15s with Louis Vuitton accents as well as other brands. The next 2 beauties I have are the mini Boston bag in this gorgeous shade of green. And you can see I've got a Louis Vuitton luggage tag on there with a Chicago hot stamp from when I went to Chicago with my good friend Joshy Michael. And then this beauty is the black and gold version, and it's got a little Louis Vuitton luggage tag that I had hot stamped when I went to New Orleans the first time with my family. If you couldn't tell, I like the mini Boston bag too. And there is an amazing sale going on. I mentioned that at the beginning, but some of these mini Boston bags are part of the 40% off. So you've got to check it out if you watch this video in time. If not, I've got a discount code, which is HBHW15 for 15% off. And that's a great deal as well, because Melody's prices are so good to start with that even if you don't get in on the 40% off, you're still getting an amazing deal. And some of the colors never really go 40% off. So if there's something you have in mind, you might need to pre-order it, and that's okay too, because you're still getting these bags for less than most contemporary brands' price points are today. The last mini Boston bag I have to show you is the one I have in graphite. This is such a gorgeous color, and I think that there may be the Paris 15 available in this color right now. I have this paired with a little Louis Vuitton tech accessory, and I think it's super cute. And I would love, 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 love to find the strap that would match this little accessory. There was one available on one of the Facebook groups at one point, and it was before I bought this, and I didn't realize that it would match this bag so well. So I have to say I'm on the hunt. If you come across one, let me know. So that will do it. Triple unboxing and a dozen bags. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family and you're surviving this Black Friday weekend. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then myluxurycloset529. You can DM me there, or you can email me at myluxurycloset529@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.